Product photography and videography is no longer just about cameras. Today, we're in a hybrid era where we capture and generate our images and videos. AI has become an essential tool in our creative workflow. Today, I'll walk you through creating an AI-generated short promo video for a cosmetics brand. We'll start with a storyboard, generate the footage using AI, and then fix the color inconsistencies that plague every AI video tool. This is a complete workflow from sketch to final delivery, showing you how to maintain exact brand colors across multiple AI-generated clips. And let's jump into this project by first reviewing the brief. And here we can see that we're working with the Sheer Glow lipstick in the shade of Coral Blush. Our workflow requires using AI-generated video clips that match the provided storyboard aesthetic. The model specifications call for a blonde model with blue eyes, as illustrated in the storyboard that we will examine shortly. We have been provided with a detailed storyboard and the referenced lipstick, but it's in a different shade, and this is only to be used for casing design reference. Next are these really crucial requirements. The lipstick color must match. We have the specific hex code, which is essential for maintaining the color consistency across all shots. This precision is what separates professional work from AI outputs. We have 48 hours to finish this project, and the color has to be accurate across all shots. Now, let's break down the storyboard. In the first shot, model applying the lipstick. This is a wide shot with white background. Second shot is the same model, and this is a tight close-up lipstick application on the lips. Third shot is finished look, model smiling, no lipstick in the frame, and it's on the white background. Our last shot is a hero shot, and that shot has animated lipstick, and it has to have correct casing design. Now for the workflow process. Since our storyboard consists of sketches, but we need realistic video footage. So our first step is generating a photorealistic image of our model that matches the sketch specifications. She has to have blonde hair, blue eyes, and the overall aesthetic. I will be creating each shot from this storyboard using an AI video generator, then applying color correction to ensure that the lipstick matches our exact color requirement. So here we are in Adobe Premiere. And I have already generated all the clips we needed for this short video, and my composition is set to 1:1 aspect ratio. Let's go ahead and start building our timeline now by dragging the clips. We don't need audio for this project, and I have already set in and out points, so this should total to just under 15 seconds. And you can also see that the clips align perfectly with our storyboard. The only missing asset is the color reference for the lipstick, and I will create a color chip using Color Matte. I'm going to set it to 200 by 300 pixels and entering the exact hex code from the client. And this gives us our target color to match. I'm going to call this matte lipstick color and press OK. Then drag it to timeline, place this reference chip next to the lipstick, and this is for easy comparison. Then go to Effects Control and use the position slider. And when I place it, it needs to overlap the lipstick so the colors are right next to each other. Let me duplicate the lipstick layer, and this is because to replace the color, we're going to be working with this top copy. This is where the selection will take place. To do the selection and tracking, I will be using Adobe Premiere's new Object Mask tool, and you also can see here that the masks have moved. They're no longer in Effects Control, but they are in the Tool palette. For overlay, I will choose None. Then with the Lasso tool, I will trace around the lipstick's color. And once it's selected, I will track both forward and backward to capture the motion data. Next step is to drag this mask to opacity. And now this masked area follows the lipstick's movements perfectly. With the reference chip turned back on, I will open Lumetri Color and adjust sliders to match the target color. Remember, the reference chip is flat, but our lipstick has both highlights and shadows, so we need to balance these. And once I match the color, I will turn the reference layer off, make sure that the layer with the mask is selected, and then in Effects Control, I will add Feather to this mask. Now I will repeat this process for each clip. First, duplicate the layer. Then find a position on my timeline where I can see the lipstick most in focus. Zoom out a little and make sure that the duplicated clip is selected. Then create an object mask on the lipstick. Track the motion, apply tracking to opacity, add feather, and if I want the same amount of feather as I did in the previous clip, I will go back and check. Now we'll scrub the timeline and make sure that there is no visible differences. And then copy our Lumetri color settings from the first clip, and then paste those settings to the clip that we are working on. Then I want to play both of those clips by pressing the spacebar to make sure that the color and the feather is consistent across both of them. We don't need to make any adjustments to the third clip because it doesn't have the lipstick in it. Next is the lipstick, and this is a fourth clip. So we'll duplicate this clip. Object Mask, then with the lasso tool, select the color. Track the selected mask forward and backward. Drag to opacity. Add feather. And then paste in Effects Control the Lumetri color that I already have on the clipboard from a previous clip. And you can see that the color has shifted, and this is because it was generated from a reference image with a different lighting. So I'll scrub the timeline for this clip so I can see best. Shadows, midtones, and highlights on this clip, and then turn the color reference back on and place it in a position where I can best match it. And now with this clip selected, and then in the Lumetri color, we'll start shifting the sliders to get a better match. Now, remember, the swatch is flat, but the lipstick, it's not flat. It has shadows, highlights, and midtones. And for more precision, I can target those directly by going to Color Wheels and Match. And here I can make more precise and fine adjustments. Now lipstick is correct color, and now I need to make it fit better in the frame, and also give a transition in the beginning of the frame. And because I want to resize these two layers at the same time, I'm going to nest them. Then give this new nested sequence a name. I'm going to call it Lipstick, press OK, and I'll move this new sequence to a layer above. Next, I will resize it, and to avoid gaps, I'll add a white color mat underneath that matches the background. And then drag this mat onto the layer below. Make some more scaling adjustments to the lipstick and then place it further down so the shadow does not get cut off. And finally, let's add some polish with a push transition from film impact to animate the lipstick entering the frame. And film impact is no longer a plugin, it is a part of Premiere Pro. I need this lipstick to slide in, so I'm going to choose Slide from the transition section, and I think this push effect will work really well. I don't need a transition at the end of the clip, but I also want to make the transition in the front of the clip a little bit shorter. And now let's see how this works with the other clips. So there is an issue because it should stop in the position of the original image of this lipstick, and it's not doing that. It's actually doing the opposite. So I'm going to right-click, choose Clip Speed and Duration, and then click on Reverse Speed. And now when I play this clip, it stops in the right position. And there you have it, consistent lipstick color across all AI-generated clips. And that's the complete hybrid workflow, from storyboard sketches to AI-generated footage to color-corrected final video. Every clip now has consistent, accurate color that matches our exact specifications. This is the future of product content creation. We're not replacing traditional photography, we're expanding our toolkit. AI generates the base content, and our expertise in post-production ensures professional, client-ready results. The Object Mask Tracker in Premiere makes this color matching process incredibly efficient. What used to take hours of manual keyframing now takes minutes. If you're navigating this new world of AI-assisted content creation, subscribe for more hybrid workflow tutorials. I'm documenting every technique that bridges the gap between AI capabilities and professional standards. Check out my courses and books at productphotoandvideo.com for both traditional and AI-enhanced product photography. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it simple and keep doing more of what you love.